In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, pick an app you wanna use in this view on the top half of your screen and access it in the background like that. When you're ready, click on the icon of it available at the top and select split screen from this pop-up. So when I do that, I can click on a second app. If you see this pop-up, just hit got it and use them both at once. Quick tip, you can always click on those three dots in the middle and tap on swap apps to change placement of them. Now to go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps and swipe them, or you can hold the same three dots to drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on home button to close remaining one. Additionally, I can show you my favorite feature of split screen. Click on the same three dots, and if you are using those two apps combination a lot, click on Add Combination. Then select Add Automatically. Close split screen and look for shortcut on your home screen. Now every time you will click on it, those two apps will be instantly launched in split screen view. To get rid of this shortcut, just hold it and tap on the Remove button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!